Let's go ahead and open up the passenger side door. Now we have to open up the glove box. If you have anything in the glove box, just get it out. Now grab the dampener arm over there on the side and then pull it out. Once it's out, push it in to get it out of the way. Now we need to get these two clips in. So push the glove box in a little bit and then twist the clip left and get it out. Same thing on the other side, push the glove box in a little bit, twist it left and get the clip out. And now you can access the cover for the cabin air filter. Press that one clip, get it out from there, and the other one, and the cover comes off. That's the filter. Just grab the filter and then pull it out straight. Now as you can see, there's all that dirt and stuff trapped on the top side. So the way it works is outside air comes from the top, gets filtered, and clean air goes from the bottom in the car. So that way when you pull the filter out, all the dirt stuff stays trapped on the filter and doesn't just fall inside the vehicle. Get the new filter and position it the way I'm showing with the airflow arrow pointing from top to bottom. Get the filter in position, push it in all the way. Now this is the proper position of the cover when you're putting it back on. See the lettering on it? It should be positioned properly, not upside down. Get it in place, push that clip in, push the other clip in, and that's good. Now put the glove box back in position, get one clip, get the clip in place. You have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. That's good. Now push the glove box in, twist the clip right, and done. Repeat the process for the other side. Again, push the glove box in a little bit, get the clip back in place, and once it's in place, then just twist it right to lock it in place, and that is good. Now let's go ahead and get the dampener arm and put it back in its position, and then press it down to secure it, and that is good. Let's try this out, and it's working just as it should. That's awesome. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.